If we need a footed button, but the one we like or the one available doesn't have any, we can build it during the sewing. We sew it as usual, but leaving a few millimeters gap between the button and the fabric, as you can see here. We give the foot strength with a process similar to the finishing off. The needle goes under the foot and then it goes through the thread. We repeat it the times needed to make the foot firm. Lastly, we finish the button off and we check it is done well. And here is our flat button turned into a footed button.